Most INFJs have what I call deep dive fatigue. We spend weeks researching obscure topics, Jungian archetypes, 12th century architecture, or the ethics of AI, only to feel like we've wasted time because it doesn't help our career. In the creative economy, that is a lie. Your ability to synthesize complex, niche information is a high-value skill. Today, we learn how to turn your obsessions into a knowledge product. Have you ever felt guilty about your rabbit holes? You spend 4 hours researching the history of herbalism or the psychology of cults, and then you look at the clock and think, I should have been doing something productive. You think your deep dives are a hobby. You think they are a distraction. But in the 2026 creative economy, curiosity is currency. The world is drowning in information, but it is starving for synthesis. People don't want more facts, they want to know what the facts mean. Today, we are going to stop hiding your obsessions. I'm going to show you how to build a synthesis bridge, how to take your niche interests and package them into a digital asset that solves a problem for someone else. Your weird interests aren't a distraction, they are your business plan. Most people are told to pick a niche. If you like fitness, be a fitness coach. If you like finance, be an accountant. But the INFJ mind hates being boxed in. The tactician uses the synthesis bridge. You take two unrelated fields and find the connection. Example, fitness plus introverted stoicism equals a training program for people who hate loud gyms. Example, software coding plus Jungian psychology equals a guide to the ethics of AI personality. By standing at the intersection, you have zero competition. You're no longer one of a million coaches. You are the only person talking about that specific bridge. The INFJ trap is the researcher's loop. We think we need one more book, one more certification, or one more deep dive before we can share our work. This is just perfectionism in disguise. To monetize your mind, you must shift from consumer to curator. A curator doesn't know everything, they simply organize what they found into a path for others. People will pay you to save them the time you spent in the rabbit hole. Your value isn't your expertise, it's your filter. In an age of noise, being a high-quality filter is a six-figure skill. You feel like charging money for your insights is selling your soul. You want to help for free. You feel like a capitalist, the dirty version, if you put a price tag on your PDF or your course. But sovereign INFJs realize that money is a feedback loop. If people don't pay, they don't pay attention. By not charging, you're actually preventing people from taking your advice seriously. In a moment, I'm going to show you the minimum viable insight, how to create your first digital product in a single weekend without spending a dime on software. You've already done the work. The deep dives are in your journals and in your browser history. Now you just need to package them. Identify the transformation. What is the one thing someone will be able to do after reading your synthesis? Example, after this, you will be able to set boundaries without guilt. The Lego method. Don't build a 10-hour course, build a 5-page guide or a 20-minute video. Solve one small problem with your niche insight. Digital leverage. Once you record it or write it, it exists forever. You do the work once, it pays you while you're in your next rabbit hole. This is the only way an INFJ can stay creative without burning out. This week, we turn your notes into an asset, the interest audit. Look at your browser history or your library. What are the 3 things you've spent the most time deep diving into lately? The synthesis bridge exercise. Draw 2 circles. Put a niche in each. Write down 5 problems that exist at their intersection. The one-page solution. Write a 1-page cheat sheet or roadmap that solves one of those problems. The soft launch. Send it to one person who fits the niche. Ask, is this helpful? What's missing? Your mind is a cathedral of complex ideas. It's time to open the doors. Stop thinking of your deep dives as a waste of time. They are the raw materials for your freedom. You were given the ability to see patterns where others see chaos. Now, show them the map. Build the bridge. Ship the insight. Become the sovereign of your own creative economy.